Today's build sponsor is AMD with their Fidelity FX Super Resolution technology. They also want to give 20 ANZ residents a chance at winning a special prize pack. AMD FSR offers 4 quality settings: ultra quality, quality, balanced, and performance, allowing gamers to adjust the balance between image quality and performance based on their preferences, providing high performance, visually stunning gaming experiences, even for the most demanding visual features, including ray tracing. Imagine that, a boost in performance without spending any money. Depending on the quality and performance settings you choose to apply, you can see massive improvements. I'm talking over double your current FPS, but that is up to you to see what suits. To learn more, I have a link below. I recommend giving it a test. I would actually love to know what your personal experiences are with this technology. I've also left the link below to enter the giveaway. Good luck, guys. There we have it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed that build, and a big thank you to AMD. Don't forget to enter their giveaway link down below. And if you'd like to support the channel, consider becoming a Patreon or a YouTube channel member. It helps us out and we appreciate it a lot. So thank you to you guys already on there. As I said, if you'd like to support us, links down below, and also leave the specs in the video description as well. Make sure to check out all of the other videos on the channel after this one. We have lots of custom PCs, so go and check those out. And we'll see you all in the next one.